William and Margaret, you join together in a covenant today where you bring everything you have, everything you are, and unite to each other. What God has joined, no man may divide.
My dearest William, today I achieved my biggest dream, which is to marry you. Thank you for being my guiding light, my solid foundation, and my sense of peace.
So who deserves to be married to my extraordinary daughter, this mythical lady? I can't think of a finer person than our very own William Edwin Leidy.
Ay, qué alegre. I'm so excited.
Sharing these moments, they stay in the heart. That's the treasure that we're going to keep in our hearts. Your love, your being here, we'll treasure them forever. We love you and joy.
I am ready to keep loving you today and for all time. I love you, almost husband. William.
Someone worthy had finally won over Margaret Ann's beautiful heart. Margaret Ann knew it then. William knew it then, and I knew it then. Just another sign that William and Margaret Ann's love is incredibly special. A tale as old as time, if you will.
Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together.
Wow, you look absolutely stunning. Your mom would be so proud.
I hope that we hold the story unfolds. Together we find.
Very nice. Beautiful.